What's up guys, in one of my previous videos I was talking about a stablecoin that you could buy at a discount, and that stablecoin was Trunk. So since you probably haven't seen that video, I'm gonna try to explain to you right now what it is. Trunk is a stablecoin that is part of the Elephant Money protocol, and there are two major coins on that protocol, which is Trunk, which is a stablecoin, and Elephant token, which is a reflection token. And at some point the protocol was gaining popularity and the price of the Elephant token was skyrocketing, but then the hack happened. And the price of the Elephant token dropped tenfold, which is crazy. And Trunk, which is a stable coin, lost its peg, where at a certain moment it was almost 50% of its value. It's been struggling to recover ever since, so that's why Elephant Money Protocol actually implements this strategy to try to bring Trunk back to peg. Trunk liquidity is locked on PancakeSwap and it's paired with BUSD. And if we look at the PancakeSwap right now, we can see that we have 8 million Trunk tokens and 5.5 million BUSD tokens. So in order for us to have Trunk at peg, we have to have this being equal, but that's not the case right now. So what the protocol has implemented is you have to go to a PancakeSwap, you buy Trunk for BUSD, meaning that you supply BUSD and you take out Trunk. And then you go back to the protocol's website, which is this one, Elephant Money, and you can redeem 1 for 1, meaning that if you buy 1,000 Trunk, you can get guaranteed profit on it right now. And if we go to the exchange, we can see that for 1,000 Trunk, we would only pay 688 BUSD. So you're basically making $300 on a $700 investment. So what's the catch? Well, there is none really. There's only a couple of things that I think I should mention, and the first one is that you can only redeem between 1 and 1,000 Trunk. So you can buy more Trunk if you want, but you will only be able to redeem up to 1,000 Trunk. And 1,000 Trunk, as I've already shown you, is around $688 at the moment. So if you invest around $700, you're gonna make $300 on your investment guaranteed. And if you ask me why should you invest in BUSD, well, BUSD is one of the stable coins that is backed by cash, which is stored in the FDIC insured banks, and it's also backed by US Treasury bills. So I think honestly BUSD along with USDC is one of the safest stable coins right now in the crypto space. And the other thing that I should mention is that you can only submit one redemption request at the moment. So if you decide to, let's say, buy 10 Trunk, you cannot add to it and you cannot take it out as well. Once you submit the request is going to be pending. So if you want to get the most out of it, just take 1,000 Trunk and submit a redemption request. And the other thing is that it doesn't happen right away. So it's going to take some time. And if we look at the dashboard on the Elephant Money protocol, we can see that currently there is 1,347 requests worth $626,000. There is no exact date when you would get your money redeemed, but if you go to Elephant Money protocol, you click on redeem right here. There is a button that says click for redemption pool activity. It will take you to this contract, which is the redemption contract. So if you download the CSV, which I already did, we can make a prediction on how long it's going to take you approximately to get your money back. So as you can see, and you got to filter it by this address, I have the data for the last 7 days of redemptions on the contract. So the average redemption in the last 7 days has been around $5,000. And as we can see from this screenshot that I took just a while ago, the BUSD balance to redeem is $625,000. And the number of requests is 1,345. So which gives us the average amount per request of $464. Because you got to remember, not everybody wants to redeem 1,000 Trunk. Some people want to redeem, I saw like 10 Trunk, 7 Trunk, 15 Trunk. This is the average amount per request. And then if we look at the redemptions per day, meaning that we divide the average redemption per day by the average amount per request, we get around 10 to 11, let's say 11 redemptions per day, right? Since the number of requests is 1,345, we can divide that by the redemptions per day, and that gives us 123 days till redemptions. And please remember, this is an arbitrary number. It's not set in stone, because I'm pretty sure at some point the protocol might be doubling the payouts, and you're gonna get your money probably in twice as short amount of time. But if you want to get an approximate number, I would say 123 days or around 4 months. So if you have extra cash and you want to make a guaranteed profit on it, you can use that and get $300 on your $700 investment. And that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up to help YouTube algorithm. And if you want to see more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel down below and click the notification bell to get notified next time a new video comes out. And I'll see you all in the next one.